just finishing the ABS disconnect mod, or ABS kill switch, I guess you'll want to call it. And what I did up here is this little latching button here. This one's a normally open or normally closed. I've got it wired into normally closed, so when it's out, everything works normal. You press it in, kills your ABS. Nice little switch. It has a light. I haven't wired the light in. I might do that when I finally get that stuff figured out. But anyway, the way I did it is it disconnects the front wheel speed sensor. The reason we do the front and not the rear, which is just connected right down here and would have been way easier to do, is you disconnect that, you lose your speedometer. So the other way you can do it is also with a fuse disconnect, but then I don't like drilling into there, losing some waterproofing and whatever else, and then you got 25 amps going up to the front. I don't like it. But so what we did here is I just went into the front wheel speed wire. Here's the connector for it, this guy right here. I did the actual wire for the front speed sensor, because if anything goes wrong or if I don't like it, I just have to buy a speed sensor. I don't have to go back into the factory harness. So we're going to put this back together and test it out. Side note, you do not lose any fuel when you take the tank off, like maybe a dribble. You just disconnect this hose, disconnect that connector, and take the tank off. And you don't even have to take these fenders off all the way. Fairings, fenders, whatever, because I didn't feel like taking the crash bars off today. But yeah, we'll get her back together, go for a test, and see. I think I'm going to do, I've got an extra light to put back here as well. Just getting ready for camping, so everything's a disaster. Anyway, I'll see you next time.